In this video, we are going to learn about advanced drill down options inside Power BI. If you had not watched our previous video about how to use drill down, click on the above link. So let's get started with advanced drill down option. The advanced drill down option is available in option 3 and option 4 button in our visual. Option 3 stand for switch to next level and option 4 stand for expand to next level. Let's look at the option 3 first and compared it with drill down function. For drill down we need to enable the button here and then click on the visual where it will take us to the next level of the particular year only. But in case if we need to do it for entire data, then we need to use option 3, which is switch to next level. We are having a yearly level data, which is the first level. If I need to go through the next level for entire data, which include 2013 and 2014, to do that we will be going to enable third option, which is says go to next level. Once we click on it, we will move from yearly to quarterly. Notice how we have all the 4 quarter, but this does not belong to any specific year. This include for my entire source data. If we click on quarter 4, it means it is for entire data source. In our example, it is quarter 4 for 2013 and 2014. If we want to jump from one level to another level, we just need to click option 3. Now to go on the next level, we will click on this option again and it will go to the monthly level data. For the entire data set, in our case November month, so PowerBI will click the November month of 2013 and 2014. And if we need to go to the day level from monthly again, we will click on the third option, which will go to the day level days for the entire data set. If we click on 20 data, it means it will give us the data from January 20th, February 20th, March 20th, April 20th, and so on. This means it is the combination for all 20th of all the months. If you want to drill up from day to month, we will click on the first option, which will take us one level above, and we can go back from month to quarter and from quarter to year. This was all about the third option. Now we will discuss the fourth option. If we want to see the entire range of data, which must include 2013 all quarter and 2014 all quarter, in order to do that we will click on fourth option, which is expand all down to one level. Once we click on the fourth option, we can see that the Power BI has given us the quarter result for 2013 and 2014. And if you want to see the monthly result for both the year, so we will click on the fourth option, it will drill down to monthly level of both the year. And if you want to see the day-wise, we need to click it further down to see the entire day-wise result for our data set. If you need to go higher level, then click on first option. I hope you have understood all the 4 options of drill down. Option 1 is to go above the level. Option 2 is to drill down. Option 3 is go to the next level. And last option is to expand down to the next level. If you have any doubts, feel free to comments. In these last 2 videos of the Power BI series, we've covered the details of drill up and drill down in Power BI. We've discussed what these techniques are, how to use them in Power BI. With this knowledge, you'll be able to navigate through your data at different levels of detail and gain valuable insights that can help you make better decisions. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends.